What's up, guys, and thank you for tuning into this amazing new video that I'm quickly going to make for you guys. Right now I am currently not available at my own place, so we'll be doing this update from a different place right now, but just I want to give this very quick update because, guys, what we are currently seeing here is still very interesting. Today, once again, seeing a big red candle. Of course, it's on a Monday, so we will be looking to the possibilities what currently can be playing out for Bitcoin. So right away we'll be going into the charts, guys. If you can also smash up the likes, that would be of course very amazing. Can we reach the 400 or 500 likes? Let's see if we can do so. Also, still, if you have some questions for me, make sure to just drop them in the comments below. So, guys, if I look to the chart over here, you can see the 20-day moving average. Flipped it onto the daily candles. You can see over here, we have this exact touch for Bitcoin. We are exactly touching this level once again. And this is for me also to believe that this is a likely area that we are probably going to bounce here. And if I zoom in here, yesterday you can see the perfect touch and of course the retest why we also continued further to the upside. But right now, today, we are very close with retesting it once again. And I do think it is a likely scenario that we're probably going to touch it and maybe then see the lift off once again to the upside getting created. So on the daily, we are still looking pretty bullish. Of course, we are seeing a correction right now coming in here, but we are still above the critical levels of the indicator. So also the EMA ribbon, as you can see over here, will be providing us support. Along the way, it will be providing us support on the daily uptrend. Of course, if I zoom out a little bit here, you can see it is still in the place here. We are still in an uptrend. Please don't trade against the trend here. People are telling me right now, should I be looking for shorts? I am staying calm with my shorts. I'm not looking to go short at the moment because I don't necessarily think that we are in need to flip bearish on the market. So I still think that it is good for Bitcoin, how it is currently looking at. But even if I go to the 4-hour, guys, and flip on also the EMA ribbon, of course, we can currently see that we are flipping bearish on the 4-hour. And that is, of course, a thing that I don't like to say. But on the 4-hour, it is not looking very strong at the moment for Bitcoin. So that's, of course, a thing that you do want to keep an eye out on. As time of recording, we just closed this for an hourly candle. And in my opinion, what we're probably going to do here is maybe see another minor move down here towards the gray box. And like I told you before, this gray box here sitting around the 56.6K is a very strong accumulation level. So people are right now freaking out right now because people are seeing that the price is not pushing higher, even though where we were expecting the price was going higher. So what is right now possible, you may be asking? And there are still some multiple possibilities that we can be seeing here, because if I zoom out a little bit as well on the 4-hour and disable the EMA ribbon real quickly, you can see, guys, and of course this video is not as normal because right now I'm not home, but quickly still want to give this update. But you can see over here, we have 2 touches already on these lines over here, and this can be providing us very good support if we're maybe heading towards this level once again here. So maybe we're going to see another correction to the downside and maybe heading towards the 54K, but that would be still healthy for the price of Bitcoin, because we're only creating a bigger pattern. And yeah, let's see what it is going to do. But then if we're going to do so, first, what we're probably going to do for the Bitcoin price is, of course, make a bullish divergence. So there can also be a highly possibility, like we're going to touch this level and then move higher. And yesterday in the Discord, if you're also in the Discord, you can see yesterday I was posting something that once we are not breaking through this gray box, you can go back in the Discord server at market updates. I was saying, you guys, once we're not breaking through this gray box, there is a possibility that we're maybe going to do some kind of a move up, of course, and then a move down getting created, and maybe a bearish divergence after that can be played out. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But if the price will be going lower, if we're going to set a lower 1 hourly candle close, we're probably still going to set a higher RSI close. So that will be looking like that we're going to create a bullish divergence. And I do think we have to wait for this divergence before really calling a minor trend reversal, of course. We are right now talking about macro trends, but I still have to wait a little bit longer till confirming this minor dump is over, because at the moment we're still accumulating and the altcoins are still performing very good. And also a coin that I do want to be discussing is, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum, highly anticipated. And I definitely think that you right now have some very interesting opportunities with Ethereum. If I look to this chart, guys, you can see I have this downward sloping resistance line that I will be right now drawing. And right now I'm looking at the 1 hourly time frame. And also what I can be doing is drawing this upward sloping support line. So this is a perfect symmetrical triangle that we're currently forming on the price section of Ethereum. And the lovely part about this pattern is, guys, we're going to create this symmetrical triangle from a move up. And after this move up, we are forming this continuation pattern, and we are of course looking very strong for the price action of Ethereum. And also, if I go to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, it will be showing you that we are looking very strong in that chart as well. Give me a second, I will be going into it in a moment. But guys, if I just quickly look at the chart, we're still finding support at this previous yeah, supportive line here. But the most important part will be, can we still be holding on to this level? Because it looks like that Bitcoin is willing to go a little bit lower. And of course, it will be all depending on Bitcoin. So let's see what we're going to do. Of course, will be very exciting if we can still smash through this level. And of course, set some higher highs for Ethereum as well here. So if I go to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, yesterday we were talking about this level, and we are having a perfect retest once again, guys. We were talking about this level, and let me zoom out a little bit here. We were talking about this gray box level, where this gray box is usually providing a lot of good support, as you can see over here. And let me remove these drawings, guys. This is, by the way, just a quick recordings. Just want to give this update, and if you have still some questions here, I will be trying to answer every single question in the comment, of course, in the comments. So make sure to let me know if you have a question as well here. But guys, if I look to this chart here, you can see yesterday I discussed this as well in the live stream. You can see a perfect retest of the previous all-time high here, and I definitely think I say all-time high, but I mean local high. So perfect retest of this previous high, and I definitely think that this can be providing the price action of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin way more momentum to the upside. And if I go to the past as well, let me zoom out a little bit here. You can usually see once we're breaking through these critical levels, because right now we are finally breaking through this level. But you can see here, first it was holding us back over here. It was holding us back, and since breaking through, of course, everything is history. This was for the month of January, and we were seeing, of course, Ethereum taking the lead in that month. And I definitely think the month for April can also be exactly the same, just like January. I think Ethereum will be gaining some momentum back, guys. So looking forward to that, of course. And let's see what it will be doing here. So, guys, this was a very quick update. Later today, probably I will be making another update. So make sure to already smash up that subscriber button if you're interested. Of course, tomorrow I will be back with another live stream. Thank you so much for watching here. And I will be checking you guys tomorrow or later today in a new video. Goodbye.